The UK Ministry of Defence, MOD, has announced plans to strengthen the Army's artillery by acquiring 15 additional M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System MLRS units and one Repair and Recovery Vehicle RRV from the United States. The move was confirmed in a parliamentary answer on March 10, 2025, when Minister of State at the Ministry of Defence, Maria Eagle, responded to a question from MP James Cartledge. The acquisition is part of the UK's weapon system modernization strategy, which aims to improve firepower and operational readiness in the face of future threats. With these additions, the British Army will operate a total of 76 M270 MLRS units, complementing its existing systems as well as the 8 RRV units previously ordered. The M270 MLRS is one of the most advanced long-range artillery systems, with the ability to fire guided rockets such as the M31 GMLRS and ERGMLRS. With a range of between 84 to 150 kilometers, the system is capable of delivering precision strikes against strategic targets, such as enemy command centers and opposing artillery positions. The M270's main advantage lies in its ability to launch multiple rockets in a short period of time, providing a concentrated attack effect that is effective in modern combat. With its automatic fire control system, the M270 ensures high accuracy as well as flexibility in various combat scenarios, both for offensive and defensive attacks. In addition to increasing the number of MLRS units, the Ministry of Defence has also allocated an investment of £800 million in the next decade to procure GMLRS and ERGMLRS missiles. While the exact amount is confidential, this move confirms the UK's commitment to maintaining an adequate supply of precision-guided munitions. The decision to add the M270 MLRS is in line with the UK's efforts to improve combat readiness and maintain military technological excellence. The system enables the British Army to respond quickly and effectively to threats, both in NATO multinational operations and independent missions. With growing global security challenges, this artillery reinforcement marks a strategic step for the UK in maintaining stability and sustaining its future combat capability. The addition of the M270 MLRS to the British Army's inventory not only increases firepower, but also provides greater operational flexibility in a variety of combat scenarios. With its ability to launch various types of guided munitions, including ERGMLRS long-range rockets, the system is capable of delivering effective precision strikes against high-value targets without having to approach the front line of battle. Furthermore, the presence of an additional Repair and Recovery Vehicle, RRV, also ensures that MLRS units remain in optimal operational condition. The RRV is designed to speed up the repair process on the battlefield, allowing the MLRS system to return to combat with minimal downtime. This is crucial in modern warfare, where speed and operational readiness are critical to mission success. The UK's move to increase the number of M270 MLRS and the stockpile of guided munitions demonstrates the government's focus on long-term defence system modernization. The multi-billion-pound investment allocated is not only aimed at maintaining the Army's excellence, but also ensuring that the UK remains ready for a wide range of future threats. In an ever-evolving geopolitical context, the UK needs to have artillery systems that can adapt to a wide range of combat conditions, from high-intensity conflicts to peacekeeping operations. With rising global tensions and potential threats from other military powers, Having the M270 MLRS as a primary artillery system provides a significant strategic advantage. This additional acquisition also reflects the UK's commitment to combat readiness and its defence alliances, particularly within the NATO framework. By strengthening its artillery capability, the UK is not only enhancing its national defence capability, but also contributing to regional stability and a collective response to global threats. As part of wider military modernization, the Ministry of Defence continues to evaluate and update its weapon systems to remain relevant to today's warfare dynamics. With continued investment in advanced technology and weapons such as the M270 MLRS, the British Army is ensured to remain at the forefront of future security challenges. The addition of the M270 MLRS and the increase in guided ammunition stocks will influence UK military doctrine, particularly in the use of long-range artillery in modern combat operations. With a range extended to 150 kilometers, thanks to the MLRS, the British Army now has a more effective deep strike capability, enabling the destruction of strategic targets deep behind enemy defense lines. This is in line with the trend of modern warfare that increasingly relies on precision strikes to reduce the risk of civilian casualties and increase efficiency in combat. In conventional warfare scenarios, the M270 MLRS can be used to knock out enemy air defense systems, logistics centers, and formations before ground troops advance. Meanwhile, in asymmetric or anti-terrorism operations, it can be used to attack strategic enemy locations without risking troops on high-risk battlefields. The UK's decision to continue to strengthen its artillery also reflects a commitment to defence alliances, especially within the NATO sphere. The UK has participated in numerous military exercises alongside NATO allies, and the increased number of M270 MLRS allows for better integration in multinational operations. The M270 system operated by the UK is compatible with other NATO doctrines and weaponry, including the use of GMLRS ammunition that is also used by allied countries such as the United States, Germany, and France. This ensures that in conflict situations, the UK can coordinate effectively with allied forces in conducting coordinated strikes against enemy targets. Moreover, this acquisition also opens up the possibility of further upgrades, such as the integration of more advanced fire control systems or the use of future munitions being developed by NATO.